Hi guys, it's Thomas here from COTBase.com. Welcome to this week's Commitments of Traders review. Today we're going to have a look at the 13th COT report in 2014, and as usual we're going to start off with the changes in commercials positions. So here we go. Let's get started. The Japanese yen is on top of our list with a 25% change in commercials positions and roughly the same changes in large speculators and small speculators. You may see the change size over here. It's definitely larger than average, although we do see greater changes in the past. Of course, it is a bullish type COT change signal, possibly pushing prices higher in the near future. Let's have a look at the 5-year chart. Here we go. You can see how bullish extreme this market was a few months ago. And you may see that there was a sort of a bottom over there. Prices have not gone below that level, so this extreme could continue pushing prices higher. Russell 2000, our next market, where we have this 21% change in commercials positions, 13 in large speculators and 30 in small speculators positions. What's interesting to see, although we do see this in the past a few times, commercials and large speculators are net short. Only small speculators are bullish currently in Russell 2000. Of course, this in itself sounds a bit bearish, but we need to open the 5-year chart and see how extreme this market is. You may see that we had this extreme back in 2013, the first half of 2013. With this extreme, we've moved away from that level pretty significantly. So in Russell 2000 right now at the moment, I cannot tell you that we have a very large bearish extreme at the moment. Platinum, our next market, we have an 18% change over there in commercials and 15 in large speculators, 28 in small speculators. But if you look at the chart, it doesn't seem to be too a large change. So I would say more of an average type COT change signal. Nothing too special to see. 5 years chart showing us an extreme. Yes, we're close to this bearish COT extreme that we had again similarly to Russell 2000 and 2013. We moved away from that level. As you can see, it was a very good point in time, a good bearish COT extreme signal. Of course, we cannot talk about any bullish COT extreme signals yet. We're more or less in between, so I wouldn't say there's too much COT signals in platinum right now that we can act on. Moving on to large speculators COT extreme. Here we go. Feeder cattle on top of our list with a 104 report extreme in large speculators, of course. Let's open feeder cattle first. 5 years chart. Here we go. And you may see this extreme just widening and widening. Of course, this extreme can become larger, but just by looking at prices, we should eventually start considering more of a bearish type approach to the market. Wheat, the Chicago wheat, we have a 68 report extreme over there in large speculators positions. Opening the 5 years chart. Here we go. We can see, of course, everything on a wider time frame. And looking at price reaction last week, you may see that prices may have reacted to this extreme. It wasn't an all-time or a huge extreme in the market. Of course, we can say we're surprised. We should not be, of course. There may be, as you can see over here, relative extremes that can be capable of pushing prices down. So this may again be a relative extreme. We may see the COT extreme widen towards the bullish side and then get another bottom and see prices going higher again. That's the picture right now. So it's a relative extreme. Judging by last week, it has affected prices, so we may see continuing price declines. Corn, our next market, 67 report extreme over there in large speculators. Opening a 5-year chart right away. Here we go. You may see this extreme being large, but again, similarly to the wheat market, we can maximum talk about a relative extreme. This extreme could widen even to greater levels before we really get a significant bearish signal from the COT report. We're not there yet, so this extreme can widen easily. And let's not forget about the bullish extreme that we had a few months ago, which is at the moment affecting prices, pushing prices higher. Okay, that's going to be all for this week. If you would like to have a look at other COT charts, you may do so at our COT charts page. If you would like to have a more in-depth and detailed COT analysis, then check out our COT analysis page. You can look at new COT report types, the CIT, TIF, disaggregated COT reports. You can look at the futures and options data type. You can add other great functions to your table, the long-term trend, the volume and open interest scores, or of course the COT index, a lot of great functions. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I hope to see you next week. Have a great weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.